I just finished my hair, but right now, snacking on these.
Lip gloss on my lips when I dips the whip. Some kinda like a player. Lip gloss on my lips when I dips the whip. I got a little something for you, hey.
What's good, y'all? It's your girl Cherish. Cherish, 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 a. Cherish, 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 a. Ain't no stopping when you poppin'. And I'm back with another video. So, today's video is gonna be like me talking about how I'm trying to get my milk supply up. I'm trying all these TikTok hacks. But before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Alright, so I'm just going to show y'all what I eat in a day. I saw on TikTok that you have breastfeed and then pump after. I've been trying to do that, but sadly, I ain't had time. So most of the time I just be putting them on the boob, but today I'm going to try something new. Like, I'm going to just keep trying after he eat and pump. So, yeah. I'm just going to show y'all what I eat. I know I'm making enough because he's 12 pounds now. He's a month and 12 pounds. He was born 8 pounds, 6 ounces. So, I know I'm making enough milk, but I go back to work on Monday and I got 8 bags. So that's not enough. But yeah, we'll see. But I'm gonna show y'all. So for breakfast I eat oatmeal. It's really good oatmeal. Something about the flax seeds. Then I drink my coconut water with pineapple. And then I start to pump, and it's usually one that's more than the other for some reason. I think it's because it's the preferred boob. But yeah, I was doing good, y'all. That oatmeal works instantly, guys. Gotta go get it if you're breastfeeding. I just finished my hair, but right now, snacking on these. Been eating these for my little snack. I'm about to try to down 2 water bottles. Okay, so I think you're supposed to drink like 8 bottles of water a day. I can't even do that. I'm trying to do these 2. I'm fine with the coconut water and like 2 water bottles, but I suggest you do more. Yeah, I'm just going to try to do these water bottles. I will say that the more he's on the breast, the more milk makes for me. It works for me like that. And if I'm pumping, it's just going to give the same result at each time. And it really bothers me. It ticks me off that it's the same result. So putting him on the breast, whenever he wants it, it makes more milk for me. I saw on TikTok that this girl put socks over the bottles. I think I'm going to try that just so I won't have so much anxiety about pumping. Okay, now that was a lot. All right, so after that, I'm going to start pumping again to see if that works. I'm just trying all the little hacks of TikTok just to see if it works. So if that was a challenge, I would have won, like, for real. Alright, so I could only do 10 minutes because it's time for me to go get the kids from school. But this is his favorite breast, and there's nothing in there but 1 ounce. That one has way more. So I'm gonna put it together. That's what I made. Now I'm gonna eat these nachos. I heard guacamole makes more milk as well, and onions. Okay, after those nachos, I pumped again, and it's a little more. It's kind of even on both sides. All right, so that showed y'all everything that I be eating. Yeah, it's a challenge. I don't know how long I'm gonna do this breastfeeding thing, but I'm gonna continue to try. I'm not gonna give up. My goal is to do 6 months, but I don't know. Who knows? My nipples is real raw right now. I'm not liking the pump situation, but I'll let y'all know how it goes. But it's been real, y'all. I gotta go. I gotta tend to the little baby and my other kids. It's been real. Catch you on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Peace.
On my lips when I dips the whip. Some kinda like a player. Lip gloss on my lips when I dips the whip. I got a little something for you haters. Lip gloss on my lips.